And you can even take this a step further in what we call operations control in terms of the simplicity, right? So yes, in Flex, we've got unlimited historian tags or unlimited clients or unlimited IO in system platform. But if you wanted to scrap that all together and simplify it down to one metric, right? Operations control might be something that interests you. And what that is it just takes down to one metric and that is number of named users are interacting with your system. You give us a number of named users, we then give you the appropriate package, and you would get access to not only just the SCADA component, the historian component, but also what we believe that are common components that are critical to a modern facility. Things like, of course, device communication with our communications drivers, but things like reporting with AVEVA Reports or analytics with AVEVA Insight, or maybe you want a collaboration tool with and issues management and learning management tool with AVEVA Teamwork, right? Those are automatically included in the operations control bundle, right? You just get them at the cost that has been quoted to you. And then in addition, right, you can add on, manufacturing components, whether it's MES, batch, or recipe management, and supervised machine learning analytics like our guided analytics or optional add-ons to a bundle. So really, you've got kind of like just a few different types of things that I need to be aware about. And really, the core component between all these things is number of named users. And through that, then you have unlimited access to the software, right? You can download it as much as you want, license it as much as you need, right? As long as that number of named users remains true, right? We don't care, if you have 10 galaxies, 50 galaxies, 50 workstations, right? Whatever it might be, that is not a limiting factor under this commercial model.